Will you help Parrot to give very short answers? Will you tell your answers loudly? Capital of Jharkhand? Ranchi. Forest people are called Adivasis. A person who pays money to the government to control things in a forest contractor of the forest. A natural resource that belongs to everyone collectively. Collective bank or collective wealth. This committee must protect the interests of the tribal. Gram Sabha or the village panchayat. Let's help Bert to fill in the blanks now. Trees grow in the forest of Jharkhand. Sal trees grow in the forest of Jharkhand. Are also known as forest people. Adivasis are also known as forest people. There are trees and in forests. Birds, animals, plants. There are trees, birds, animals, and plants in forests. Adivasis make by stitching leaves together. Plates. Adivasis make plates by stitching leaves together. Agh does not allow cutting of trees by anyone. government does not allow cutting of trees by anyone. Forests are sometimes destroyed to build and dams, roads, bridges. Forests are sometimes destroyed to build dams, roads, and bridges. MS Dhoni comes from the state of Jharkhand. MS Dhoni comes from the state of Jharkhand. Will you help Frog to find out which of the following sentences are true and which are false? The life of the Adivasis is linked to forests. True. Animals and plants are dependent on each other. True. Our government allows people to cut trees. False. Adivasis say that they don't need the forests at all. False. One can learn to read and write at any age. True. Let's now try to answer these questions. Friends, will you also write the answers in your notebook? Can you tell what you can find in a forest? There are lots of plants, trees, birds, and animals in a forest. They are all dependent on each other to live. So a forest does not mean only lots of trees. How are plants and animals dependent on each other to live? Can you give examples? A rabbit or a deer eat grass and other plants to live. The tiger or lion eat the deer and rabbit to live. That is how they are all dependent on each other. forests have the same type of trees? What kind of trees do you find in a forest? No, all forests do not have the same type of trees. Different forests have different types of trees. We can find sal trees in the forests of Jharkhand, but forests in other places have trees like pine, eucalyptus, teak, etc. Who are Adivasis? Adivasis are known as forest people. They cannot live without forests. They collect leaves and herbs from the forest and sell them in the market. They also make bamboo baskets and leaf plates. They do not pluck the leaves but use the fallen ones. They are careful not to destroy the forests. Do you know who a contractor of forest is? A contractor of a forest is a person who pays money to the government to take control of things in a forest. He has a right over things in the forest for which he has paid money. He can stop anyone from taking away anything from the forest. What is a collective bank or collective wealth? A collective bank or collective wealth means something that belongs to everybody. It is a natural resource and everyone has a right to it. The Adivasis say that forests are a collective bank and everyone should be allowed to use them. Is there any law to protect the rights of the Adivasis? Yes, there is a new law called the Right to Forest Act 2007. It says that people who have been living in the forest for at least 25 years have a right over the forest land and what is grown on it, but they cannot destroy or misuse it. Their Gran Sabha has to protect such forests. Sometimes forests are destroyed for the sake of development, to build dams, factories, etc. This affects the trees, animals, and people living in such forests. What do you think will happen to them? Do you think development is also important? You can discuss with your friends. Friends, do you want to see how a leaf plate and a bamboo basket are made? Let's draw it now. Leaf plate, bamboo basket.
And do not forget to subscribe our channel and do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.